In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit data in KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the project. I'm going to go with this one over here. Then you want to go to data up top and you want to click on table. Now, there's like your responses over here. I have 3 over here, as you can see. And if you want to edit your data, you want to select which response or submission you want to edit. For example, I'm going to go with this first one, and you simply want to click on this edit button next to it. So just click on the pen button. It's going to open up that specific form or the questionnaire, and here you can see like all the results or all the answers that that specific submission has put in. So there was 3 and 3. If I, for example, change this to 3 and 5 and click on submit here, you'll see that there we go, it was successful, and I can now go back inside here, and if I refresh this like that, you'll see that there we go, it's actually been edited, and now it says 3 and 5 instead of 3 and 3. And if I go and edit again, you'll see that the edits have actually taken effect in here as well. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.